The unspoken thing that clients are searching for when they reach out to a lawyer is to be heard, to be believed, to be taken seriously, to feel acknowledged, that what happened to them matters and caused real harm. Claim aside, judgment aside, settlement aside, legal aspects aside, I think they are reaching out for that. If I could tell a potential client one thing before they start a claim, it would be to ask as many questions as they need before making that decision. Really understand and make sure all their questions are answered. And make sure that they know that not proceeding is a valid choice as well. In sexual abuse cases, you don't really have a limitation period. So if now is not the time to come forward, and once you understand what that process is and you're not in a place to do it, don't feel any pressure to do it. I think it's important for clients before they decide to start the process to know what it is and to know it's okay not to start it if they choose not to. Survivors of abuse have often been let down by institutions and individuals before. As a result, a lot of my clients have issues trusting people, and they have trouble trusting systems. And so I think it's very important to explain what this system is, what this process is, because I think trust can be found within predictability. Safety can be found within predictability. Feeling empowered can come from predictability. And so while this process can be protracted, it can be adversarial, it can feel invasive, if they know what to expect and they know they're not alone in that process because I'm with them, my team is with them to support them through it, they can hopefully feel empowered and they know what's coming. When they decide, they can make an informed choice to start that case or not, which is also a valid choice. But what's important to me in the process is that the client always feels like they have a choice and that they're happy with the choice. So there may be times where I don't think they should accept a settlement. I think that we can build their case more and they can get a higher result later, but they want to accept it. That makes me happier. As long as they are happy, I want them to feel empowered in the process. They have the choice. I can give them legal advice, but so much of these cases comes down to more than what's the best legal advice. And I want my clients to feel like they can tell me honestly what feels right for them. And so at the end of a case, whether it ends early, late, even, or at the end of a trial, if the client is satisfied and feels like they've been acknowledged and they've been supported, I'm happy. My goal, and I think my role is, I can't fix what happened, that's impossible. So compensation is what a civil process can provide. And hopefully that gives my clients a sense of security and also a sense of acknowledgement. When the legal process is done, I think there'll be a roller coaster of emotions because this thing that they've been carrying around often for years or decades, an aspect of that is now over. But my hope is that they can feel proud of themselves for going through that process, that they can feel acknowledged by having a successful outcome, whatever that looks like at the end of that process. And then hopefully that will help them to move forward and close that door and know that they understood what their options were and they pursued that option to the best of their ability. And now my hope is they can now move forward in their life. It will never be fixed, it will never be forgotten, but hopefully they can feel empowered and move forward and proud of themselves.